close.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you don't know already, we are in Hawaii on vacation. And even though we are on vacation, we clearly still have to clean. We have...
Messes are made.
Yeah, we've let it go, kind of did the bare minimum. We've been here for 4 or 5 days. 5 days so far. We are just going to take a chance to clean this all up. The kids are relaxing because they are super tired.
We had a long day.
Yeah.
I did a hike. You guys went to a market?
He went to Diamond Head and we went to the swap meet down at the stadium. So everyone is kind of tired, but we are going to clean up and then maybe we'll go to the pool. So come along with us as we clean on vacation. If you are new, subscribe and click the little bell so that you can get notified, and we will have actually lots of little family vacation videos going up soon, either before this one or after this one. So make sure you pay attention to playlists in the iCard and you'll be able to go watch vacation videos as well as cleaning videos. So let's go clean.
All right.
Life than this, reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven send with me tonight. I run away.
I think that cleaning is well worth it when you have this view. Make sure you subscribe and come back for more.